Ever wondered if your sleek Nikon Z30 can handle a sudden downpour? And today we are diving deep into the weather resistance of the Nikon Z30. Let's start by inspecting the Z30's build quality. It features a robust polycarbonate construction which offers a good level of durability. However, it's important to note that the Z30 is not officially weather-sealed like some higher-end models. While not fully weather-sealed, the Z30 does offer some degree of protection against light rain and splashes, and the key is understanding its limitations. Unlike weather-sealed cameras that have gaskets and seals around critical areas, the Z30 relies more on tight construction, and while it can handle minor moisture, prolonged exposure or heavy rain can lead to water damage. So, what can you do to protect your Z30? Investing in a rain cover is a great idea, and these covers shield your camera from rain, snow, and dust, ensuring your camera stays dry and functional, and a simple plastic bag can even work in a pinch. If your Z30 does get wet, immediately wipe it down with a clean, dry microfiber cloth and pay attention to the seams and crevices where water might collect. For added protection, consider storing your Z30 in a dry box with desiccant packs which will absorb any moisture and prevent internal damage, and always remove the battery and memory card to allow those compartments to dry thoroughly. So, while the Nikon Z30 isn't fully weather-sealed, with a little care and precaution, you can confidently use it in less than ideal weather conditions to capture amazing content.